good afternoon and good evening. Hope you're well. My name's Jay and welcome to the channel. Now, I'm sat in the garage because it's raining outside. It was raining last week, most likely going to be raining next week, so we're not going to get out on the bike. So I thought I would take this opportunity to do a review. If you've stopped by hoping that I'm going to be riding a bike, I do apologise, but you may want to listen to this because we today are going to talk about motorcycle helmet comms. Now, when I mean comms, I mean headsets. You can listen to music, you can chat to your mate, you can warn your mates of any potential dangers. You can also have chats on long rides, you know, to take some of the monotony away. But I've been sent a product from a company called MOMAN, and they've sent me this. This is the dual communication. So you've got two in here for under £100. Now I'm talking £89 for 2 units. Don't know what they're like, don't know what the quality is like. We're going to unbox them together. I'm going to let you know what the quality, what they feel like. Then hopefully we're going to get them on the helmet. So I've got quite a few helmets. So I've got 2 helmets that I can fit into, and I'm going to get out with my mate, and we're going to do a bit of a test and just see what they are actually like. Now, communications can be really expensive. If you buy the duo ones, whatever brand you buy, you will get a little bit of a discount for buying a duo one. A lot of people can't afford the duo, so they'll just buy a single one and hope that they can connect with a mate who may have a different brand. Sometimes they do connect, sometimes they don't connect. But this one, £89. Now, this is the black version. They do come with like there's like a carbon one, and there's also like a blue one. You can buy these off Amazon. So yeah, I'm quite interested. The company sent me an email asking me if I would review it. They sent it me free of charge. I'm getting no money whatsoever for reviewing this product, but I'll give you my true and honest thoughts about it, and we'll do the road test as well and see what they're like. So if you're interested in this, please stick around. Let's get into it. Right, so let's get into this. So get this and see what's inside. It's quite nicely packed, to be fair. These units look they're quite smart, them, quite nice. Nice for the touch. You've also got the controller here, and then there's a button. Definite click on the button, that's nice. I can imagine if you've got big gloves on, that's going to be quite easy to use. You've also got the slider on the back as well, which looks like it operates the same thing. Charger on the back, you can see that. USB-C, which is also good as well, to have a USB-C. Some of the leading brands, they still have the old micro USB. This, like I say, this is the black one. I think you can get them with this as carbon, or you can get the blue ones as well. But to be fair, it feels quite nice. It feels quite rugged as well. Yeah, quite impressed with that. So it's obviously got some kind of connector here. I'm guessing that's where it goes into the actual headphones and the microphone as well. But yeah, it feels quite nice. So you get 2 in the box. Just looking at some of the specs here. So we have got, so it enables 2 riders to communicate in real time for up to 800 meters. Which is quite good. It's CVC and DSP noise reduction technology, so I'm guessing that's your wind noise and your ambient external noises. It also has the knob design with a flexible control, which we've just looked at there. This is for choosing the FM radio channels, playing music and changing the volume. It also has an internal 900 milliamp battery, enables it to operate constantly for 20 hours and remaining active on a single charge for 300 hours. That's some claim. It comes with dust-free and an IP65 waterproof design, which when you look at it, you can see that it is very well made. There's no gaps, there's no sort of crevices and things like that where you couldn't imagine water getting in there, to be fair. Obviously this is going to be it's going to have a plug-in anyway underneath, so you're not going to get any water in there, but this is all, yeah, it's really well made. I quite like that. You know, you've got a button on here, I'm guessing that's to turn it on and off and maybe pair as well. But yeah, initially that's quite nice. So let's just see what else you get in the box. So just put, oh, so these are your, I won't open those, but these are for the liners of your helmet. So basically you stick them in, and then these will be Velcro backed, which will stick on top of that. So they're just like the leading brand ones as well, what they get. So there's 2 packs of these, one for each unit. So if we open this, so we've got, yeah, they feel nice. They're nicely well made. Nice thick cables as well. Really thick cables. What we got here? So that's your boom. That's your boom mic. So there's not. Looks like there's. Let's have a look in it. Oh wow, a lot of stuff down here. Right. So if I open this, so that's your boom. Now straight away, I like this because there's one. Everything goes into one USB-C lock. I like that rather than having 2 separate ones. So this will plug in here, if I can get it the right way. There you go. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, so that pushes in really tight. That's really in there as well. I like that. And then this will just go in the helmet. Yeah, feels really good quality. I'm impressed with that. So that's what your unit looks like. That's everything that you need there, plus these as well that will go inside of your helmet. So just move that. That's the same again, so we don't need to look at that. So what we got in here, so these are the so obviously this is going to be to stick on side of the helmet, so they've got some Velcro in there so you can stick it on your helmet, or you've got the clip so you can clip it on. A lot of people like to clip them on, but sometimes when you do clip it on, it don't matter what unit you've got, it does scratch. It can scratch the side of the helmet. However, this has actually got Allen keys. So they've even give you the Allen key there, look. So you can undo that, fit it on, and then Allen key it tight inside, so you're not scraping it up and down in the helmet. That's a really good idea. That really good concept. This must be your charging cable. So I'm guessing that the charging, well, the charging cable's in the back, as we've shown you earlier. So that's a USB-C. That'll be for that. One for each unit. And again, that's another clamp for the side of the helmet. So that is really, I'm quite impressed actually, because I know you guys can't feel the quality of this, but that quality, it does feel like a premium brand piece of kit. Really does. And it's nice. It's quite nice as well. It's not too big. It's not heavy at all. It's not heavy. I do like that. I'm guessing this will plug in either way. Yeah, goes in either way, doesn't it? But no, I like that. I don't think there'll be any charge. Oh, there we go. So that's just come straight on out of the box. So that is looking to pair, I think. So let's try and pair it with this other one. See if I can pair these together. So just keep your finger on it, see what happens. So that's flashing now, hoping to pair. Now if I just press that once, or was it this one? There you go, connected. As easy as that. So both these units now are connected to each other. So that was a quick, so press and hold, which will turn it on, and then press again, and that connects. That was so easy to connect. So I'm quite looking forward now to see what these are going to be like on the bike. So yeah, first impressions. I do like them. I really like them. So yeah, these do feel like they feel really premium. They feel really well made. Yeah, and that's how it all just connects in there. Wires are really thick as well. Yeah, really impressed with that. So so yeah, let's fit them to the helmet. So I'm going to fit this to my HJC helmet. Now when you fit comms, you always want it on the left side. So from this side, from the left side, because your right hand will be your throttle hand, so it's always best to fit on your left hand side. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to fit this unit on now. Like I was saying about this, that's it. So what I was saying about this, normally what you do with this is you would just pull that up and slide it onto the helmet, but this has got an Allen key, so it's going to make it a lot better. So I've just got to pull the lining out the side. I'm just going to loosen off this. That's just made it, give it plenty of room now, you see, to push that in the side of the helmet. Like that. So that's on there, look, on the side. And then what we need to do is just tighten these up on the inside. Just get it nice and tight. Thing is with these Allen keys as well, you know it's not gonna come off. So there you go. It's nice and tight on there. Oh yeah, that's not coming off. And then what I like to do is just slide the unit on, which just looks like it's got, there you go, so you've got a clip there as well, so that's it on the helmet. So it looks on the side of the helmet. And then for this next bit, you just need to locate inside, which I've already got some Velcro in here on the inside. So then you just need to locate the inside for the headphones where they sit into the helmet. All helmets haven't got these, so that just depends on what brand helmet you've got. So the shorter one needs to go on the side where the comms unit is, because that's where you can see that's the shorter one for the plug as well. So we're going to put that on, and then the longer one will go around the other side of the helmet. So we're just going to put this inside here, put that one in, feed it back through. Then obviously when you feed this through, we're just going to plug that in now this way. So I think that can actually go either way when it plugs in. That's solid though, that really is solid. I like that. Right, so when we fitted the side unit there, and we've just tightened it up with the hex key as well, or the Allen key. So I've just plugged in the main unit, and that's into the first headphone there, which is the shorter wire on that side. We've also got the boom mic here. It takes a bit of patience to do this. It's like any comms though. You do get a lot of the comms are very similar. It's just going to fit in there. We can slide it in after. So just put these cheeks back in on the helmet. Make sure everything's nice and tight. We've got the boom microphone on the side. Just make sure as well when you put the boom microphone in that you get it the right way. And then the other headphone obviously feeds around the back. So like I say, all helmets are different, how the cheeks come out and everything, so you've just got to persevere on this one. I've done this many times with this helmet. I've had this helmet a while, so I pretty much know where the roots are. But like I say, every helmet is different, but just take your time when you do it. Make sure you don't pull the press studs too hard that come off, and make sure everything is back in as well the way it came out, because you don't want to compromise the helmet when you fit these. Sometimes it just takes a bit of perseverance. There you go, clicks that in. So that headphone's in that side, this headphone's in this side. Just need to straighten the microphone, and that's it, all done. So we've got the unit on the side, we've got the microphone in the front, so that comes around the cheek into the front there, just under there. And then we've got the two headphones either side. Shortest wire for the headphone is on the unit side, just remember that. And then just, like I say, just make sure everything is fitted in correctly. So we're all ready, all set to test these babies out.
Right, can you hear me, Paul?
Yeah, I can hear you, mate, yeah.
So they've connected all right, haven't they? They're working all right. Right, so what do you think of the comms then, Bill? Do you think they're okay?
Clear, mate, yeah, good quality. Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you all right.
Yeah, so they seem to be working all right, don't they?
Yeah, they seem very clear.
Yeah, they are quite clear, mate, yeah. So we'll get off this top road in a minute anyway and go where it's a little bit more quiet. Very windy on here at the minute.
Yeah, it is windy, isn't it?
So this is the test of the MOMAN communications, and yeah, they seem to be working quite well, quite clear. Don't really notice any difference in quality from the Cardos that we use normally.
I can hear you pretty clear. Really a lot of differences, really.
So when we get up here, mate, there's that left turn into towards that reservoir.
Yeah.
Looks like it's going to chuck some rain down, so we don't want to be out for more than 10 minutes.
No.
Stay away from that right side. It's all right on the left where we're going anyway.
Talk to you, mate.
Yeah, next left, Paul.
Can't hear you, listen. I don't know if he's going to pull out here or what.
Yeah, I don't think he is. I think he's just parking, isn't he? And then just follow it round, mate, at the top. You know where you are, don't you?
Yeah, round to the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's clear, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. So I'll let you go in front now down there. I just want to see what the range is like now.
Yeah.
So I'll just drop back a minute. Can you hear me, Paul?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty clear that, mate.
Yeah.
Hanging a right here, are we?
Yeah, take a right, mate.
Tractor's going right and all.
Yeah, I don't know what my expectations was from them, but they are pretty clear. They're all right.
there's no difference to others, is there?
No, I don't think so.
In fact, I think if I were going to get another set, I'd be looking at them.
Yeah, they connected up quite easy as well, didn't they? Like straight away.
A lot easier than others.
Yeah. I'm just sorry, mate. I had to take your helmet apart to put them in.
That's right, mate.
And I was going to put them in my other one, but obviously I realised that your head's a little bit bigger than mine, mate.
They're all punches that you've given it over ears.
Is he turning left?
He's going, mate. I don't know if he's going to go left or right or what. Yeah. Taking a wide swing, so he's going into it, I'd say.
Yeah. It'd help if he had an indicator on his trailer, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would.
So the thing is about these MOMANs as well, they haven't got any aerials on them either.
No.
So...
At least you're not messing about, are you?
No. Well, I'll just let you shoot off in front then, mate. Just go over that hill and I just want to see if I can still hear you.
Testing.
Yeah?
Yeah, still clear, mate.
Yeah? So I'm losing you now, right? Still hear me, yeah?
Yeah,
no.
We're just coming up behind a car here on left.
So if you take a right and then left, mate, and then I'll still stay behind you a little bit just to see how it is round there. There's a few cars out up here today, isn't there?
Yeah, there is.
So I'll just drop back here, mate. Just let you go up there, because you're just going to go out of sight now in a minute. Right, can you still hear me, Paul?
Yeah, mate, clear as all.
Nice one. Right, I think that's test done then, mate. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. You coming out?
Right, no problem. I'll just hang back now, Jill, and let you get back up behind me.
Okay, mate, I'm coming.
There you go. Something from Silverstone.
Right, so that's the test, that's the road test. So obviously it was a sound successful one, that was quite clear. I'm hoping it picks it up on the voice recorder, because I've had to strap it to the headphones so you could hear. So it might not get the best quality over there, but from me listening to it, it's been really good quality. What do you reckon, Bill?
Awesome, mate. Not wrong with it at all.
Nice one. Right, we'll just leave it there then.
Doing no disconnection either, were there?
No, not at all. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider that comment, subscribe and like. Remember, no matter what you ride, who you are, where you're from, every day is an adventure. See ya.